Fears of a trade war growing as China hammers the U.S. with some brand new tariffs. Beijing going tit for tat with the U.S. in the wake of President Trump's hike on steel and aluminum imports. Kelly Wright is live for us in Washington, D.C. as well with what it means for you. Good morning, Kelly.
Heather, good morning to you as well. China announcing that it's raising tariffs on 128 U.S. products is being viewed as retaliating against President Trump's tariffs on steel and aluminum. So starting today, China is raising its import duties by 15 to 25% on U.S. pork, fruit, wine, aluminum, and other products, 128 goods in all, as I mentioned. The move is heightening fears of a possible trade war that could damage the global economy. Now, China's finance ministry issued a statement on why it is imposing tariffs in response to the Trump administration tariffs. Check out the statement. The U.S. tariff hike has seriously damaged our interests. Our country advocates and supports the multilateral trading system. The tariff increase is a proper measure adopted by our country using World Trade Organization rules to protect our interests. So U.S. farmers spent nearly $20 billion of goods to China last year, $1.1 billion in pork products. China is the #3 market for U.S. pork. Farmers, along with the U.S. wine industry, now face $3 billion in tariffs from China. So far, the White House has not responded, but in March, President Trump explained why the U.S. raised tariffs.
I have tremendous respect for President Xi, but we have a trade deficit. It is the largest deficit of any country in the history of our world. It's out of control. Just use the word reciprocal. If they charge us, we charge them the same thing. That's the way it's got to be. That's not the way it is. For many, many years, for many decades, it has not been that way.
Bottom line here now, with China raising tariffs on U.S. products, the Asia financial markets were higher today. This as the trade tensions between the U.S. and China appear to be heating up even more. Heather?
All right, Kelly Wright live for us this morning. Thank you, Kelly. Great to have you with us.